Welcome to Sam and Kev's Outdoor Adventures. Sam here, and I'm on my own doing a day trip today, and I'm in the Rainbow Conservation Area quite close to Rotoiti near St. Arnaud. So I'm on my way to Bull Paddock Creek Hut. It's supposed to be a little two-man, almost a bivvy really, probably 3 to 4 hours walk in, but so far I've already got lost once, so it could be an interesting day ahead. To get to the start of it, there's a few different ways, but you probably have to cross the Wairau River, which is what I've done, and that river can be quite large and difficult to cross, so I'm crossing it in low flow conditions, and even then it's quite swift. The other thing about this track, it's no longer maintained by DOC, so the Permolat group does come in here occasionally and do a bit of work, but it is a bit overgrown. It takes a little bit of navigation just to find where you're going, and you've got to look out for the little white markers rather than the orange DOC triangles. Yeah, so you actually start this track in Sandfly stream, so you don't actually come in via Bull Paddock Creek. So after a couple of kilometers of walking in, I think the idea is that you climb up and over a saddle, drop down into Bull Paddock Creek. Yeah, so where you start this track at the start of Sandfly stream, it's about 600 meters above sea level, and the hut that I'm going to, I believe, is about 1350. So yeah, unfortunately I'm a couple of kilometers in, it's been pretty flat, but there's no hiding that there's going to be some climbing here, and looking ahead, it's just about to start. Yeah, so if it looks like I'm a bit puffed and a bit sweaty, it's because I am. Last hour and a half, pretty much straight up, and a little bit gnarly in places as well. So I would definitely recommend taking your time and looking out for the Permolat markers. You can easily get off track here if you're not careful. So simple rule, and good one to follow. Just coming up over the saddle, as you can see, track's not super obvious, so I'm just to the south, I think it is, of point 1251, but that's most of the climbing done. Now onwards towards the hut, hopefully. And there in the distance, Bull Paddock Creek Hut. Nice. Oh, it's dark. Yeah, so it's more of a biv, and we've got just the 2 bunks, but they are spring bunks, so probably not too bad actually. And yeah, just a wee bench, not much going on there. Just looking through the hut book, been about 10 parties come in this year, so it's May now 2022, and the last group looked to be sort of about mid-April. So, and yeah, the hut book has only got a few pages, and it starts in about 2007, so not a lot of people tend to come here. Just a quick little bit about this hut. In 2017 it was actually closed, and it was going to be removed. The foundations were not suitably fit, and we're at risk of rolling down the hill. So 2019 a crew came up here and put new foundations in and built a new little deck out the front. And you know, I'm very, very grateful for it. So thank you for the hard work for those people that come and do this. So just on behalf of Kevin and myself, I'd just like to thank you again for watching our videos. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see some more of these, and we'll hopefully see you next time we're out and about.